Hey there, Code Wranglers. Leandro here, your guide through the tangled jungles of Angular. Welcome back to Angular Mystery Box. But before we start, do me a favor, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Angular content. In today's thrilling episode, we're talking about TrackBy in NgFor. Yes, my friends, it's not just a fancy term your nerdy friend throws around to sound cool. TrackBy is like that smart friend who remembers everyone's birthday so you don't have to. So why would you care about TrackBy? Imagine NgFor is like someone throwing a party. They're introducing new guests or list items to the DOM. Without TrackBy, NgFor is like, who are you again? Every single time. With TrackBy, it's more like, oh, Bob. How you doing, Bob? Back again, Bob? Head right in, Bob. Efficiency at its finest. But here's the real kicker. Using TrackBy can seriously boost performance, especially with large lists. It's like giving your app a shot at espresso. Zippy, fast, and ready to party. Let's get nerdy for a second. When you use TrackBy, Angular keeps track of each item's identity and reuses elements. This means less work for Angular and a smoother experience for the user. It's like remembering where you parked your car at the mall. It's a real time saver. So there you have it, folks. TrackBy, a small tool with mighty power, like a superhero ant, lifting 10 times its weight. Next time you're looping through items in Angular, give TrackBy a whirl, and watch your app flex those performance muscles. That's all for today's episode of Angular Mystery Box. If you enjoyed this fun dive into Angular secrets, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and jingle that notification bell for more tech treasures. This is Leandro, signing off. Keep exploring, and may your code be bug-free. Peace out.